Hello students, we are going to start chapter 11 perimeter and area. First we will revise the formulas. What is the formula of area of rectangle? This is rectangle and its length is L. If it is breadth is B, L and B, then its area will be length multiplied by breadth. This is the area of rectangle. This portion is the area. And what is perimeter? These boundaries. If we are counting these boundaries, it is its perimeter. And what is the formula of perimeter? It is, see, L plus B plus L plus B. We can add all the sides and it will become 2L plus 2B. If we apply distributive property, then it becomes 2L plus B. This is the formula that we generally see everywhere. But how it is derived? It is derived from this. यही फॉर्मूला आप लर्न करते आ रहे हो स्टार्टिंग से. दिस फॉर्मूला यू हैव सीन, बट ये फॉर्मूला डिराइव कहाँ से हुआ है? यहाँ से. व्हाट इज पेरीमीटर? पेरीमीटर मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड ऑल द साइड्स. सो इट इज L प्लस B प्लस L प्लस B. अगर हम बाकी सब 4 साइड्स को, रेक्टेंगल की 4 साइड्स को ऐड कर देते हैं तो इट विल बिकम 2L प्लस 2B. एंड इफ वी टेक आउट 2 एज कॉमन, 2 को बाहर निकाल लेते हैं, कॉमन ले लेते हैं, इट इज 2L प्लस B. You have to learn only this formula. So these are the formulas that we are going to apply for solving questions. You should learn these formula. Then square. What is the square? In which all the sides are equal. Suppose its sides, it is represented by side. All the sides are equal. Then what is the area? Area of square is side multiplied by side. And perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. These are the formulas that we are going to apply to solve the questions. Now let us solve one question. The area of a square park is the same as that of a rectangular park. There is one square park. एक square park है. There is one square park and there is one rectangular park. There are two parks, one in the shape of square, one in the shape of rectangle. And the area of both are same. दोनों का area जो है वो same है. If the side of the square park is 60 meter, जो square है उसकी side given है 60 meter and length of the rectangle is given 90 meter. These are the dimensions given and we have to find the breadth of the rectangular park. अब इसका जो breadth है वो हमें मालूम नहीं है, that we have to find out. Now see, दोनों का area same है but इसका area हमें नहीं, we cannot find out, but we can find the area of square. So let us first find out that. Area of square. What is the formula of area of square? It is side multiplied by side. So we have just applied the formula. Side is 60 meter. So 60 multiplied by 60. 3600. And what is the unit of area? See, it is very important. Meter. Whenever we are representing area, it is meter square. So it is 3600 meters square. If it is centimeter, then centimeter square. If it is meter, then meter square. So area का जो unit होता है, it is square meter और square centimeter. जो एरिया है स्क्वायर का एरिया हमने कैलकुलेट किया, इट इज़ 3600 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ बोथ द एरियाज आर सेम. जो स्क्वायर का एरिया है और रेक्टेंगल का है दोनों इक्वल है, तो इट मीन्स जो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल है इट विल ऑल्सो बी 3600 बिकॉज दोनों का एरिया सेम है. सो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल is equal to area of square. Now we have calculated the area of square. Then area of rectangle will be same. So area of rectangle is same 3600 मीटर स्क्वायर. हमने एक एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लिया और एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल भी सेम ही रहेगा. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट, we have to find the breadth of rectangle and its length is given. What is area? Formula of area of rectangle, it is length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth is equal to 3600 and its length is given. Length is given 90 meters, so we will put the value and we have to find the value of B. So here it is multiplied. When it will go to that side, it goes in divide. So B is equal to 3600 divided by 90. You have already learned how to solve equation. It is one kind of equation. ये एक equation है. Equation को solve कैसे करना है, that we have seen in chapter 4. We have studied in chapter 4. So practice that also for solving these type of questions. Now we will solve it. We will divide it. 0 0 cut. So it is 40. ब्रेथ इज 40 मीटर. सो जो रेक्टेंगल का जो ब्रेथ है उसकी वैल्यू है जो वो है इट इज 40 मीटर. सो दैट्स हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square. अब कोई भी जो वायर है वो रेक्टेंगल की शेप में है और जो रेक्टेंगल है उसका लेंथ गिवन है 40 मीटर एंड ब्रेथ इज ऑल्सो गिवन 22 मीटर. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, अगर हम सेम वायर का हम रेक्टेंगल की जगह स्क्वायर बना देते हैं, what will be the measure of each side? तो स्क्वायर का साइड के डायमेंशन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. नाउ सी, ये सेम वायर को अगर हम रेक्टेंगल से स्क्वायर में रीबेंट करते हैं तो व्हाट विल बी सेम. दोनों का जो पेरीमीटर है, पेरीमीटर जो है वो सेम ही रहेगा. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू, जब इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, जब किसी भी चीज़ को रीबेंट किया जाता है तो दोनों शेप्स का पेरीमीटर हमेशा सेम रहता है. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. We can find the perimeter of rectangle because its dimensions are given. We'll apply the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to, formula is 2 multiply L plus B. 2L plus B. This is the formula. So we'll put the values in the formula. What is L? L is 40 and B is 22. So it is 2 multiplied by 62. It is 124 meter. This is the perimeter of rectangle. तो पेरीमीटर का रेक्टेंगल है 124. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 124 मीटर. नाउ पेरीमीटर इज ऑफ स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो सेम. तो दोनों का पेरीमीटर जो है वो सेम है, तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 124 मीटर. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? हेयर वी कैन फाइंड द साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर. यहाँ से हम स्क्वायर का साइड फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. पेरीमीटर जो है वो स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला इज 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. सो 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड इज इक्वल टू 124 एंड साइड इज इक्वल टू 124 divided by 4. calculate it and find the answer. It is 31 meter. So when we will rebend it, एक रेक्टेंगल को रेक्टेंगुलर शेप से जब उसको रीबेंड करेंगे स्क्वायर के शेप में, तो दोनों का पेरीमीटर सेम रहेगा. और यहाँ से हमने फाइंड आउट किया है दैट साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर विल बी 31 मीटर. Sorry, it is centimeter. It is 40 centimeter and 22 centimeter. Answer will be in centimeters. So it is centimeter. So we have side of square. It is 31 centimeter. अब हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल का भी डायमेंशन है और स्क्वायर का भी डायमेंशन है. बट वी हैव टू चेक फाइंड विच शेप एनक्लोजेज मोर एरिया. दोनों में से किसका एरिया ज़्यादा है, दैट वी ऑल्सो हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो वी हैव डायमेंशन नाउ. हमारे पास इसका डायमेंशन भी है, स्क्वायर का डायमेंशन भी है. सो सिंपली बाय अप्लाइंग द फॉर्मूला वी कैन कैलकुलेट देयर एरियाज. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Just put the values and find the answer. 40 multiplied by 22. It is 880 because it is area, so unit will be centimeter square. So 880 centimeter square is the area of rectangle. Now area of square is equal to, what is the formula? Formula is side multiplied by side. And what is the value of side? We have just calculated. It is 31 centimeter. So 31 multiplied by 31 is equal to 961. When you will calculate it, you will get 961 centimeter square. So this is the area of square and this is the area of rectangle. You can simply check which one is greater. So area of square is greater than area of rectangle. This is our answer. Now next question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is given. There is one rectangle and its perimeter is given. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter and its breadth is also given, find its length. We have to find the length and its perimeter given. So what is given to us? Perimeter, and perimeter is equal to 130 centimeter. It is given. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? It is 2L plus B is equal to 130. We have to find the value of L. We know the value of B. So it is, B is 30. So L plus 30. Now solve this equation and find the value of L. This is one another equation that we have to solve. Here 2 is in multiplication. यहाँ पर multiply है. When it will go to that side, it will go in divide. So here what will be remaining? L plus 30. और ये 2 यहाँ से multiply में वहाँ जाकर divide होगा. It is 130 divided by 2. So L plus 30 is equal to, you can divide it. It is 65. L is equal to 65 minus 30. So L is equal to 35. 35 centimeter is the length. Length we have calculated now, and we have breadth also. Now we have length and breadth both. Also find the area of rectangle. Just apply the formula of area because we have length and breadth both. Area is length multiplied by breadth. Length is 35 and breadth is 30. Just calculate the value and find the answer. This is the area, centimeter in centimeter square. So these are some of the questions. You can practice other questions also, they are also similar. Formulas are the most important part of this chapter. If you want to solve any question, you need to learn formulas first. If you know the formulas, then it is not very difficult to solve the question. Very easily you will be able to solve the question. In next video, we will complete exercise 11.2. Goodbye.